Alright, here we have the Faema Due semi-automatic espresso machine. It has a 17.5 liter copper boiler and a 3 liter heat exchange connected to 3 solid brass group heads. It's in good working order. We've got 2 steam wands here, one on either side of the machine. The hot water tap, those are connected straight to the boiler. And of course the group heads connected to the heat exchange. The water is set at the right temperature and the pressure set well so we can pull nice shots of espresso. Following this, I will pull a shot of espresso as a demonstration, and I hope no coffee perfectionists think that I imply I know how to do everything properly. I certainly don't. Alright, thank you very much.